Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make a dash table border in Google Docs. So get started. At first, open your Docs file. Then we show the table border is the solid line and recover the is dash table border, and then we can see is click select your all table option and going to the more option and click for the border dash option, then click for the dash option, then click border date option and click for 350. Then we show the dash border table in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.